Bentley has announced details of the new Bentayga S, bringing extra sporting agility to the Bentayga family. With striking design cues and unique detailing, the Bentayga S is the latest version of Bentley's benchmark, Go Anywhere luxury SUV, designed and engineered in the UK and manufactured in Bentley's carbon-neutral factory in Crewe. Bentayga S also features a revised visual presence through the distinctive addition of black details, and a more sporting soundtrack courtesy of a newly designed, free-flowing sports exhaust, both of which increase the Bentayga's already imposing presence on the road. The Bentayga S is distinguished by a range of distinctive exterior features, including new unique 22-inch wheels with 3 finishes, innovative S badges positioned on the lower edge of the front doors, and black Klein specification as standard. The profile has increased presence due to the larger rear spoiler, gloss black side sills and lower bumpers, front and rear. Dark tint lenses to headlamps and tail lamps, black door mirrors and black split oval tail pipes complete the striking exterior. Inside a luxuriously refined cabin, a unique Bentayga S style can be found using new seats, unique stitching, a new color split and Alcantara to reflect the striking exterior and increased dynamic ability. Color accents on the instrument panel, center console, door pads and seat bolsters as well as Alcantara to seat cushion and back inserts, steering wheel, and gear lever, give the Bentayga S a bold and contemporary style. S badges can be found on the passenger fascia as well as new graphics in the driver's instrument panel and illuminated tread plates, denoting the model. The Bentayga S features Bentley's renowned 4.0-liter, twin-scroll turbocharged V8 petrol engine, combining immense power with impressive fuel economy. The latest generation engine develops 542 brake horsepower and 568 foot-pound of torque, with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 4.4 seconds and a top speed of 180 miles per hour. This class-leading performance is complemented by a range of 406 miles, with CO2 emissions of 294 grams per kilometer. Deploying the power as effectively as possible, Bentley Dynamic Ride is fitted as standard and was the world's first electric active roll control technology that utilizes an unrivaled 48V system. The system can react within 0.3 seconds with up to 1,300 Nm of torque to counteract lateral rolling forces when cornering, ensuring maximum tire contact to deliver class-leading cabin stability, ride comfort, and exceptional handling. Recalibration of Bentley's torque vectoring by brake system, whereby the car lightly brakes the inside rear wheel at corner entry to sharpen the front axle turn-in, has made Bentayga S even more responsive to drive. A new sports exhaust is included as standard, with free-flowing primary and secondary pipes improving flow and combining with reduced perforations in the muffler to deliver enhanced character and volume, giving a more performance-oriented feel. Bentley's sector-defining and market-leading luxury SUV is available in 4, 5 or 7-seat configurations, and since it entered the market in 2016, more than 25,000 customers have taken delivery of a Bentayga. The fourth model in the Bentayga range joins the efficient plug-in hybrid, the 4.0-liter turbocharged V8, and the powerful 6.0-liter, 12-cylinder speed. The youthful, muscular exterior design of the new Bentayga S reflects a truly dynamic driving experience. Stylish and purposeful in equal measure, the sporting nature of the Bentayga S is clearly visible from every angle, and made more dramatic with a suite of changes that change the character of the car both inside and out.